Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to get and symbol on keyboard. Open your Word document. To insert the and symbol, on your keyboard you will press the Shift key and the number 7. The symbol will be added immediately to the document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.